How to delete iPhone text messages permanently. Subscribe for more iPhone quick tips. First, open your device messaging app. To delete a message, swipe left on the message. You can see delete icon. Tap on it. Now tap on delete to confirm it. This message is removed from this list but not deleted permanently. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now select recently deleted. Here is the message I just deleted. Select this message. Now at the bottom, tap on delete icon. To delete this message permanently, tap on delete again. And that's it.